Good morning from Got the Magnet and Smooth Sailing Chronicles from Vancouver, Canada. Do you know what to pack for the Alaska cruise? I will show you what we are packing. Follow along with us on Smooth Sailing Chronicles on Facebook and Got the Magnet on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Have you ever wondered what to pack for an Alaska cruise? I will show you today as to what we are packing. I am bringing my Buc-ee's cup for water. I do have a few other essentials in my backpack. This is my carry-on bag that I'm going to use. For example, I have sunglasses, a plastic carry-on to put the sea and sail sign card in, and I have a few of these sanitizing wipes that we can wash our hands with. A few of dry eraser because I'm bringing a whiteboard to put on our door. And of course we got a few extension cords and a couple other stuff that I'm gonna need to work. I have a Kindle and my headphones, because you never know, you may need some peace and quiet. This is my camera essentials in there. If you're bringing wine, this is a corkscrew that you can bring. And let's come along over here. Here's my laptop I'm gonna bring and my mouse. That's my husband's nail file. That's the recorder that he just brought, and we're having everything charged just before we get on. I think that's a good idea to have everything charged. iPad, my Razr cell phone. Here's a few of other things that I'm gonna bring. Because usually after the cruise, I usually tend to get a cold, so I'm gonna bring some cold medicine. One of the ducks that somebody gave me, we have a soda can, which should not be open, but you can bring a case of soda or water bottle on. My chapstick for when my lips gets chapped. And I also have a wrinkle release. It's much better than an iron. And in case I spill something on me, I have the Oxy Magic. That's cough drops, some toiletries. If you guys don't know, this is our YouTube channel and you can use the QR code to subscribe. We usually take these a week beforehand so our immune system get used to what we're taking. But now we're gonna pack our old shoes for when it rains. But after the cruise, we're gonna keep it on the cruise because we do have some new shoes over here that we're gonna use also for our evening wear. I have a light jacket in case we need it. I think it's gonna be like in the 60s, 70s, so a light jacket is suggested. A couple t-shirts, a couple shorts, and I do have some pants in here because we're going to be taking some excursions. And of course, our normal stuff, nightgown, underwear, and a bathing suit if you choose to use the whirlpool. And I do have a clear bag, and it is also waterproof, so that is a good idea to bring. It's not too big, but it's not too small. We're definitely bringing binoculars. If you want to see something far away, like a whale, or seals, or even an otter. Love to see an otter. It does tend to rain in Alaska. Not the whole time, but it will for a couple days, so we bought ourselves a poncho from Amazon. I'm bringing my GoPro, so I have this neck device, which I loved. So that you don't have to carry around the camera all the time. Just put it around your neck. And we do have a water bottle from when we get off the ship. And if it breaks or if we forget about it, no worries, it was free. You can bring these devices. It's a USB port also. It's a European plug. I do have a nice sweater for the evening, and here's another nice one, like a quarter sleeve shirt. I'm not going to be dressing a lot on this cruise. I do have a nice quarter sleeve blouse that I'm bringing, and a dress. Just one. We're not bringing anything like too majorly overdressed. We're bringing a hat because We will be outside a lot, so I brought a hat, some jeans, and I got a sweatshirt and a few pants. I did bring some off just because we're going to be out in the woods. And I always get mosquito bites. Here's our whiteboard that we're going to be bringing and putting on our door. It's a nice size whiteboard. And I'm going to put welcome, got the magnet, and anybody wants to write anything on it, they can. We also have one of these lights because sometimes ships do get blackouts. If you have any more questions about what to pack for Alaska, please follow Got the Magnet, comment, like, and share. And we'll see you on our next adventure.